What is Amazon PPC? Part 9. What is an ad group? An ad group is a way to organize and manage ads within a campaign. We can use ad groups to collect ads with respect to the brand, product, category, price range, and target strategy, etc. We can create ad groups for sponsored products campaigns, whereas each campaign can consist of one or more ad groups. An ad group can be created automatically when we create a campaign, and more ad groups can be added to a campaign after saving the first one. Each ad group should be created with products that are in the same category, as it helps in optimization of bidding strategy, relevancy, and targeting. Ad group name. When assigning a name to an ad group, always try to use a name that is descriptive and meaningful. The ad group name must be unique within each campaign, but the same ad group name can be used in different campaigns. We assign names to each ad group for display purposes, whereas it doesn't get visible to customers. Products. We can select products from inventory to include in an ad group. Each selected product will be displayed as an ad. While creating an ad group with manual targeting, we could add as many similar products to the ad group as we can. As more products in our ad group will increase the likelihood of receiving an impression. It will happen because all products would be sharing the same keywords in an ad group. Keyword targeting. For sponsored products campaigns, we can use Amazon suggested keywords, our own keywords, negative keywords, or we can target with the products. Thank you for watching.